could have your attention for just a moment, please. We'd like to go over the safety features of our 737-700. Just in case you haven't used modern transportation since the 1940s, to fasten a seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle to lift up on the buckle. Wear that belt tight and low across your hips and whenever seated. If at any time on our way to Ontario you don't like the service we're providing, feel free to use one of the 6 emergency exits on board the aircraft. There's 2 forward exit doors, 2 over the wing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the rear. We even have signs overhead and lights on the floor to help you find those exits. There's a fan disguised as a safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. And in the unlikely event that our captain tries to turn our flight into a cruise today, there is a life vest underneath your seat. Remove it when told to do so by pulling down on the red strap to open the pouch. Place the toilet seat cover over your head. Wrap that black strap around your waist and buckle it in front. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on that red tab to inflate the vest, or if you just want to show off, blow into the tube at your shoulder. After that, folks, it's real simple. Kick and paddle, kick and paddle, kick and paddle. Don't worry, though, we'll be right behind you with the liquor and beer kits. This has been a great day for me. My 2 ex-wives are coming through the cabin now to ensure that your seat belts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and those carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is prohibited aboard the aircraft. If you must smoke, use the smoking lounge. It's located outside the aircraft on the left-hand wing. It does open at 50,000 feet. Their motto out there is, if you can light it, you can smoke it. The in-flight movie today is Gone with the Wind. However, federal law still prohibits the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of a smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. And federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. That means you all just do what Gwen says, and that's Gwen right there. And there won't be any trouble. I'm not afraid to use her, folks. And finally, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartments overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask till the plastic tubing's fully extended. Stop screaming, let go of your neighbor, place that mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally and secure it with the elastic strap. Continue using until we tell you to stop. And although the plastic bag may not inflate, oxygen still will be flowing. If you're traveling with small children, anyone needing assistance, anyone simply acting like a small child, please put your mask on first. And if you're traveling with more than one small child, we're sorry. Folks, that's the do's and don'ts. We're going to invite you to sit back and relax. It's 2 hours, 36 minutes to Ontario. Once again, we want to thank you for joining us and welcome aboard. If you'll check the security of your seatbelt, we've been cleared for departure. We're also going to dim the cabin lights for the flight to Ontario, wherever we're going. So if you do require some additional reading light, just push that button above your head that looks like a light bulb.